दिख रहा है? If you're increasing the size of the column, it will start increasing the size of the text also accordingly. मैं समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
So this is also one of the useful features of Excel. ठीक है? Now, inserting a row, you can also insert a row. So for that, just right click here, insert. It will insert a row. ठीक है? If you want to insert a column, right click here, click insert. You can insert a column here. इसमें कोई problem नहीं?
हाँ सर.
Now, एक और चीज देखो. If you want to insert 5 rows above Naga Divya, what you can do, select 5 rows at a stretch, ठीक है? Then insert it. See, it will insert 5 rows. If you are going to select 2 rows, then it will insert 2 rows, okay? Got that? Similarly with the column also, if I want to insert 5 columns, then I can select 5 columns here, right click here and insert. See, 5 columns are inserted. Okay? बात समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
Okay. So it is also very useful. Now merging. Again, you can select it and you can merge it so that it becomes a single cell and you can write whatever you want to write. ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं?
हाँ नो सर.
Okay. 2-3 चीजें और हैं आज के क्लास के लिए because I will not